Hello students, today we will start question number 5 of worksheet 4 chapter 4. First part, find the value of x so that, here students we will find the value of x. Now in first part, 3 upon 4 raised to power 2x plus 1 equal 3 upon 4 raised to power 3 whole raised to power 3. Listen students, here is the sign of equal. That's why when we will solve left hand side and right hand side separately, we will find the same value. This is one thing. And the another thing is, when there is a sign of equal and the fractions have same, in that case their powers will be equal, or we can say there is sign of equal and same base, then the powers will also same. Now look here. Now we will simplify first left hand side and right hand side. How much we can solve? 2x plus 1. Here we will solve the bracket first, right? This is m and this is n. So we will multiply this. 3 upon 4. 3 into 3. Okay. Now 3 upon 4 raised to power 2x plus 1 equal 3 upon 4. 3 3 is a 9. 3 3 is a 9. Now listen students. Here is sign of equal and bases are same. Always remember students, when the bases are same and sign and equal is here, then the powers will be same. So we will put 2x plus 1 equal 9. Now we will solve this linear equation. 2x is equal to 9 minus 1 is equal to 9 minus 1 is 8. X is equal to 8 divided by 2. 2 4s are. So the value of x is here 4. In part 2, 2 upon 5 raised to power 3 into 2 upon 5 raised to power 6 equal 2 upon 5 whole raised to power 3x. Now listen students, first of all we will solve this linear equation. We will solve this left hand side, right? Bases are same. Sign of multiplication, first law, so powers will be added. 2 upon 5 raised to power 3 plus 6 equal 2 upon 5 raised to power 3x. Okay. 2 upon 5 raised to power 6 plus 3, 9. Okay. 2 upon 5 raised to power 3x. Now look here students. Bases are same on both sides. Here is the sign of equal. So the powers will be same. Equal, right? 9 is equal to 3x. We can write it as 3x is equal to 9. So the x is equal to 9 upon 3. 3 3 is a 9. So the value of x is 3. Clear? Part 3, minus 1 upon 5 raised to power 20 divide in minus 1 upon 5 raised to power 15 equal minus 1 upon 5 raised to power 5x. First of all we will solve this left hand side. Okay. Listen students, here bases are same, sign of division, so powers will be subtracted. Okay. Minus 1 upon 5 power 20 minus 15 equal minus 1 upon 5 whole raised to power 5x. So minus 1 upon 5, 20 minus 15, 5 equal minus 1 upon 5 whole raised to power 5x. Bases are same, sign of equal, so powers will also same. 5 equal 5x. We can write it like this also. We can change the side of both. So x is equal to 5 upon 5. So the value of x is 1. Fourth part, 1 upon 16 into 1 by 2 raised to power 2 equal 1 by 2 whole raised to power 3 into x minus 2. Now listen students, this question is bit different. Here first one thing is, first of all we will convert this 1 upon 16 in the power of 1 by 2. Why we will do? Because first of all we will make the bases same. When the bases will be same, only in that condition we can put the powers equal. So we will put it like, what is 16? 1 upon 2, 4, 8 to the 16, right? 1 by 2 whole raised to power 2, same, 1 by 2. And now look here students, here is bracket. We will solve this bracket also. 3x minus 3 to the 6. Okay, now how many 2's are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 2 is 4 times. So we will write it here, 1 by 2 raised to power 4 into 1 by 2 raised to power 2 equal 1 by 2 raised to power 3x minus 6. Now we can write it like 1 by 2 whole raised to power 4 into 1 by 2 whole raised to power 2 equal 1 by 2 its power is 3x minus 6. Listen students, what we do here, 1 by 16 we change it in the power of 1 by 2 because we want to make the same basis. Okay, and second thing what we did here, that is we solve this bracket. We multiply this 3 with x first, we get 3x. When we multiply this 3 with 2, we get 6. Okay, now this is 1 by 2 raised to power 4. We can write it like 1 by 2 whole raised to power 4. Now all bases are same. So 1 by 2 whole raised to power 4 plus 2 equal 1 by 2 whole raised to power 3x minus 6. Now 1 by 2 whole raised to power 6 equal 1 by 2 raised to power 3x minus 6. Okay, now bases are same, so powers will be equal. 6 equal 3x minus 6. Okay, we can change the sides of both sides. 3x minus 6 is equal to 6. So 3x is equal to 6 plus 6. 3x is equal to 6 plus 6, 12. And x is equal to 12 upon 3. 3 1 jar, 3 4 jar. So here the value of x is 4. Question number 6. Which of the following statements are true? Part 1. 0.6 raised to power 8 divided by 0.6 raised to power 7 equal 0.6 raised to power 2. Students, here what we will see, we will solve and we will find out left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. Both sides are equal or not. Here we will solve the left hand side. Listen students, bases are same, sign of division, so the powers will be subtracted. When we solve this, we find that 8 minus 7 is equal to 0.6 raised to power 1. This is our left hand side, but our right hand side is 0.6 raised to power 2. It means this is not equal to right hand side. Okay, this is our left hand side and this is right hand side, but these are not equal. Okay, so we will write this is not true, or we will say this is false. Okay, now second part, 12 upon 13 raised to power 5 divided by 12 upon 13 raised to power 3 equal 12 upon 13 raised to power 3. Okay, we will solve the same process. Base is same, sign of division, powers will be subtracted. 12 upon 3 raised to power 5 minus 3. What did we get? 12 upon 3 is 2. Is it equal to this? No, because here the power is 3 and we, after solving left hand side, we find the power is equal to 2. So this is also false. This is not equal to right hand side. Students, this is our right hand side and this is our left hand side. Okay, now in third part, the reciprocal of 7 upon 5 raised to power 12 is 5 upon 7 raised to power 12. Yes students, listen. Here base is 7 upon 5 and here is 5 upon 7. These are reciprocal, so this is true. In this question, in fourth part, this is 5 plus 5 whole raised to power 5 equal 5 raised to power 5 plus 5 raised to power 5. Listen students, when we solve our left hand side, what will we find? 5 plus 5, 10. 10 raised to power 5. Okay, and this is 5 power 5 plus 5 power 5. Okay, it will be not same because the value of 10 raised to power 5 is right. This is one like. When we solve this, this is 5 raised to power 5 plus 5 raised to power 5. Solve it. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus, sorry, multiply sign into 5. Now we will multiply this. Its value is 3125 plus 3125. When we add these, 6250, but here the value is this. Here left hand side is not equal to right hand side, so this is false. Okay students, now in part 5, 1 by 4 raised to power 4 divided by 1 by 4 raised to power 3 divided by 1 by 4 is equal to, okay, we will solve it here. Okay students, first of all we will solve the bracket. Bases are same, sign of division, so powers will be subtracted. 1 by 4 raised to power 4 minus 3 divided by 1 by 4. Okay, here 1 by 4 raised to power 1 divided by 1 by 4. Here is power is not given, it means power is 1. Now if we solve it, we find that bases are same, sign of division, so 1 minus 1 means 1 by 4 raised to power 0. And students, you all know that when any number has power 0, it means whole value becomes equal to 1. And this is our right hand side. Is it equal to right hand side? No, this is not equal to right hand side, so this is false. Next, sixth part. First of all, we will solve the bracket. Okay, how many times 7 will be here? 1, multiply sign, powers will be added. Here is 1, 3, 7 will be 3 times, right? Or you can say, you can write it like this also. Okay, this becomes 1 upon 7 raised to power 3 divided by 1 upon 7 raised to power 3. When we will solve it, here we find that after solution 1 upon 7, base is same, division sign, 3 minus 3 means 1 upon 7 raised to power 0. If we have the power 0 of any number, the whole value becomes equal to 1. And your right hand side is also 1. This is equal to right hand side, so this is true.